So here we are with our veritable garden after 4 weeks. I'm Rupert.
And I'm Lisa.
And we are all about greens. We're here to teach you how to cook delicious plant-based recipes.
And also grow herbs.
And also grow herbs, yeah. So,
on a sideline.
So we've been trialling out this veritable garden. Super fantastic little herb and small plant grower for home.
Self-contained.
Completely self-contained.
No daylight needed.
No, and it just comes with these lovely little ingots we showed in an earlier video. You drop those in, you add water, you plug it in, and off you go.
And that's it.
And quite quickly, even within a few days, you're starting to see growth coming through.
It's really exciting, actually. We've unplugged this to show you, but then the light's on for 18 hours, switches itself off, doesn't it?
That's right, yeah, exactly. And so we've got oregano in here. Now, this oregano is ready to go. So literally 4 weeks in, we could start to pick this and have this in our lovely Italian dishes.
They're like little micro herbs then, aren't they?
Yeah,
really
fantastic.
good.
Just give those a little squeeze, have a little smell. I'm in Italy. And then we've got our little bell peppers. There's no sign of any peppers on there, but these look super healthy. One of the pre-seeded ingots hasn't actually produced a plant there, but then the rest of it looks super healthy. I mean, that looks exemplary.
You can see that at some point soon we're going to get a little bell pepper on it.
Can't wait for that. Then we've got our jalapenos, similar sort of story to the bell peppers. We've got one that's not come through, but the other plants look super healthy, so we're looking forward to some great little chilies off that. And then my favourite, we've got the wild strawberries down at the end. Again, super healthy looking plants, really lovely green leaves, and I'm hoping to see some fruit coming through from those in the next couple of weeks.
And I'm so excited, I'm cutting across you next couple of weeks.
The next couple of weeks, and then when we get little flowers on, we'll be able to use our cross-pollinator to cross-pollinate those flowers, and that will then yield the fruit.
This is a really good way of growing herbs in a small space. So if you've not got a garden, it's well worth having a little look at this as well. And you can choose all different types of herbs. I mean, we're so used to seeing oregano that's dried in bottles, and to see it like that just on top of salads or pastas, so different,
Just
isn't it?
gets you back in touch with the food that you eat.
And it doesn't matter that they all grow at different rates, because each one is self-contained. Once you've finished with one, you can just plant another.
That's it. So we'll keep you updated on our veritable garden growth in progress, and hopefully we'll be having some jalapenos and bell peppers in our cooking very soon.
See you soon.